Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to attempt to use Pinterest in your Android phone. Now to use Pinterest, first you have to download it. So at first open your Google Play Store and then search for Pinterest. Then just tap here, then tap on install. Now give it a moment to install it and the download is complete. Now go to your app screen and then open it. From here you can sign in or sign up your Pinterest account. If I sign in with my Google account and then choose the account, then tap on agree and share. After that enter your date of birth and then tap on OK. Then tap on next. Then choose your gender. Then select your country. From here you can choose your own country. Then tap on next again. After that select your interested matter. If I select natural photography, football, vehicles, photography and wallpapers, you have to select minimum 5 subjects from here. Then tap on next and you are all done. Then tap on allow to get notifications. And it's done. Now Pinterest is ready for use. If you tap on saved, then tap on this settings icon. You can also customize your Pinterest account from here. And that is how you can attempt to use Pinterest in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.